Hey, what's going on guys, I'm Ryan, welcome to the video. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. In this video, let's have a look at these 1More ComfoBuds Pro headphones with active noise cancellation, 5 different modes in this case. We're gonna put it to the test, but first let's start with a quick unboxing. And guys, if you're not a subscriber to the channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much for your support. Alright, without any further ado, let's have a look what's in the box. Okay, so on the side here we can see 28 hours of playtime, pass-through mode for ambient sounds, auto pulse play. We can see here on the front a few more specs, but I'm gonna cover this in a minute. So let's just open this really quick. And we can see a few illustrations there on the left flap. And on the right we have the case for the headphones itself. My first impressions out of this unboxing is that this is a premium product. By the charging port, USB Type-C, in this case you can see 1More, here more, and on the top of the box there's the 1More logo, very subtle, and here is the headphones itself. They come wrapped in this protection film, and then we can see where the touch control area is. First impressions are good, you can see here the tips, but I'm gonna check this all later. Let's continue with the unboxing. Here on this white box, here we can see a white carrying pouch. There's also the charging cable, USB Type-C in this case. And last, we have 3 extra pairs of ear tips, XS, S and L. Also in the box we can find this cool 1More sticker, and last, a user manual. Okay, so let's have a look at the case and the headphones itself. Headphones, earphones, so I'll refer this as headphones for now, sometimes earphones. Let's move on. So if you charge this case for 15 minutes only, you get 2 hours of playtime. But bear in mind guys, these headphones have 28 hours of playtime. I can't tell you for sure how long it will take from my experience, but I can say it lasts for a long time. I watched several movies without the need to recharge the case. Looking at the earphones itself, so he has 3 microphones per earpiece, one there. This is basically for better ANC, Active Noise Cancellation, so it will detect the sound that goes into your ear and try to block the exterior sounds. There's one there on the outside and one down there. This is also used for phone calls. And guys, to be honest with you, the ANC on these ones is one of the best ANCs I ever tried. I was really surprised with the quality of the ANC. And speaking of quality, let's move to the sound quality. This ComfoBuds Pro come with a 13.4mm dynamic driver, which according to the manufacturer gives you that deep bass. I'm not an audiophile expert, but from my experience I can tell the quality is there. In terms of bass, it's strong, but not that super strong. That sometimes it's a bit too much. The mids are there as well, same with the highs. No complaints with the sound quality whatsoever. In terms of comfort guys, I think the name matched the earphones. I use it for quite a long time and they are comfortable, I can tell you that. The ear tips, they don't block your ears that much. It's like it's super sealed. I tried different sizes and I didn't get that super sealed blocked feeling, if you know what I mean. That's just my opinion, which I think is not a bad thing, if that makes sense. As mentioned, these earphones have a sensor, so when you remove it from your ear it will pause, and when you put it back on it will resume while you're listening. Pretty cool feature, I do like this a lot. And another thing is that you can use just one earphone if you wish to. There's no issues with that, and the function of the sensor will work as well, but sometimes you need to press play. I noticed that when resuming. In terms of ANC, one of the best features of these headphones, you can set it on the headphones itself by touch. You have strong, mild pass-through where you can hear your surrounds, wing noise reduction, or off. If you set it to strong guys, it's really good. Trust me on this, one of the best ANCs I ever tried, to be honest with you guys. Of course, within the app you can set different settings, smart playback, and on the custom settings you can tell, for example, touch and hold on each side, it will do different modes of ANC, double tap for pulse play, etc. Here is just a small guide to the product. You can tell 1More put some effort into it. They didn't pay me to say any of this, they just sent me the earphones for testing and review, but this is what I get from what I've been seeing and from my testing. Here you have the smart burn in. Pause the video if you don't know what that is. Yeah, that's basically it for the app. Also you can see the battery level for each earphone and the case itself. No issues about the connectivity, they are really quick to connect. And in terms of distance of connectivity, I tried here in my place and it was around 12 meters, I think it's around 39 feet more or less. And saying that, guys, let's wrap the video. Let me give my honest opinion about these headphones. I think they are reasonable price for the quality of the product itself. ANC, one of the best I tried. Sound quality is there. Volume is not super loud, but it's loud enough. And in terms of comfort, nothing to point on that matter. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave a link down below so you guys can check it out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, a little bit different from what we test here on the channel. If you liked the video, click the like button and please guys consider subscribing. Thank you very much for your support. Like always, thank you very much for watching and hope I can see you all in the next one.